everyone, how are you? I am doing very good. I'm actually very happy. Today I'm gonna be on a mission, and that mission includes plants, right, Megan? So yes, we're gonna be plant shopping, but not just like for any kind of plant, but I did see esos están malos, neighbor that I have. She had like this bowl of like full of succulents, and it's so pretty. I know that succulents are not for everyone because it's very easy to over water them, and like I learned this, and I'm saying it for experience because I did kill a lot of succulents, including the ones that my mom gave me, and that was pretty sad to me. But yeah, I totally, now that I'm reminiscing to it, I totally know that I overwatered those. But now I think that I've graduated pretty much from like basic houseplants, I guess you can say, like the most easiest one, which is like a ZZ plant, pothos, snake plants. I've graduated and I've officially started to, you know, expand more because yeah, it took me like a little while to overgrow on that stage, because a girl likes to water plants, and I used to overwater all my plants, so that's why I couldn't keep succulents alive. But now that the idea has been put in my head, I actually want to start. And the reason why I'm so confident on getting like a bowl with a bunch of succulents is because I do have 4 succulents right here, as you can see. And yeah, these guys, they're like a little burnt from the sun, because I did move him around and he did not like it, so I moved him back where it was. But yeah, I'm very excited, and excuse my face, but I really woke up. I woke up like, I don't know, 2 hours ago, but I still haven't gotten ready. It's like 8 in the morning. So yes, I am going to go on that adventure, and hopefully I can find a lot of cute succulents. I mean, all the succulents are pretty in my opinion. Like every plant is pretty in its own way, but I just hope that I can find like healthy ones, because those are the first 4 succulents that I actually keep alive. So like I don't want to get something that is like a little bit damaged and I have to like rehab or anything like that. So yes, hopefully I can find some pretty healthy ones. I did go to Home Depot yesterday, but honestly their selection in succulents were not very good. Not because they have a little bit, but their succulents were like half dying. So I mean, I wish I could rescue those succulents, but honestly, I'm a beginner and I don't want to risk it. So let's go. All right, so we're here in the Home Depot. My daughter is sleeping, but it's okay. That'll make it better. Oh, she's awake. Okay, anyways, without any more rambling, let's just go to Home Depot and start looking for succulents. As you can see, there's a lot to like choose from. They have everything and they have all of that too, but I just don't know which ones to get now because they're so cute. So I'm just like, look at this one, so pretty. Look at this one, your babies. I want these ones to like fill up spaces that I'm not gonna put a big succulent on. I wish they had like some succulents like this, but like this one, but like purplish. That would be very cool. I'm looking at this one and it's so cool. It has like one leaf right there that it's not super healthy. So when trying to look for plants, just try to choose the ones that look best. That is beautiful. And sometimes it can get a little difficult because they're very cute, but at the same time they're like super damaged. This one is saying a baby. Let me go around. I'm gonna try to put them together as I would if I was making an arrangement. I think it's good. I just think that I need more color. So I need like a color, like a pink hue, like this one. Oh, this one is so pretty. I don't know which one to choose. Look at this one. I mean, it looks like a lot, but in our reality, they don't have a lot. I like this one. It looks like it's like variegated. This one, yeah, definitely taking this one. I'm gonna look for more without the camera, see what I come up with. All right, so I'm back in my truck, and honestly, you guys, this succulent arrangement was way more difficult than I expected or anticipated, because I just thought, okay, I'm just gonna put a bunch of succulents together and they should look good. Well, no, bitch. You actually need to like make an arrangement, like if you're making a flower arrangement. That's how I felt. Just grabbing this, just different lengths, different whiteness, different colors. And right now, since we're in fall, about to go to winter, the succulents, I think, and I'm pretty sure what I'm saying is right, they don't get a lot of like light inside the store, so their colors are not popping. So that was a little problem, but I figured it out, and I think that I'm gonna make a very good arrangement, hopefully. I'm sure. I believe in myself. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in my home where I'm gonna plant them. Alright, you guys, so what you guys want to do when repotting succulents is clean out all the dead leaves from this part, from the part that touches the soil and has the roots. Try to like clean it up so that it can grow. And I already put the soil, oopsie, I already put the soil here, and I filled it up because I want my succulents to pop out of the pot. So as you can see, it's roots only, doesn't have any dead leaves, and it's already ready to go. You just make like a little hole, and then I want it like right there. And you just make sure and push it down, right? Not too hard, but just like hard enough where it's still gonna let it breathe from within and still, you know, have space and grow and all that crazy stuff. You just want to make sure that the roots are under the soil. And then here I'm gonna make another little hole. Oh, this is a perfect example of what I was talking about. You don't like all this, like sometimes the store make it so that the succulent is really like showing its face in the pot like this. I guess they do that to make it look more full or whatever, but that little space needs to be cleaned of nothing so that it has space to grow more leaves and be bigger. I'm gonna put it right here. And the wideness of the hole that you're making depends on how much, you know, roots it has. So I'm just gonna like tuck it in there. You should be able to like move it a little bit around, not too much, but the root system of this one, it's so big. Like it's bigger than this one, it's crazy. really had to get a new tripod. This tripod sucks. Please? Okay. I'm doing right now, it's pressing. Sometimes you can't really get in it like very deep with these little utensils because you can't really feel what you're doing. So I highly recommend getting your hands dirty and do it. Just go for it. A little backstory to succulents. I was really intimidated by these little guys. Like they're so little and like so pretty. And I was so intimidated by them because for the longest, I was killing them all the time. I couldn't handle myself. So yeah, I asked my mom because like I told her like I always kill succulents. I don't know why. So my mom grows the most beautifulest succulents ever. So healthy, everything like that. So I was like, might as well ask the expert here because I literally suck. So yeah, that's what I did. I asked her and she literally told me the secret that would change my life, and that was to water. I mean, more than anything, just like let them dry. And also when they feel like super dry, you want to not overwater them because they'll die. So I was like, okay, I already know that, Mom. I already know that. Please tell me something I don't know because I don't know how to do that. That sounds super easy, but at the same time is very difficult. So what my mom told me, and the secret to keep succulents alive, is actually to just put ice cubes instead of like watering it with water and not knowing exactly how much or where to put or what not to do. So what you do is like if it's a little succulent like this, put an ice cube there. If it's this, put an ice cube there. An ice cube for each one. I would put like, okay, give me just a second. Depending on how big the succulent is. So for this one, I would put just 2 ice cubes, just because, like I said, it's a little bigger. For like a little tiny guy, like a baby, like the one that I'm putting, that is like this size, just like 1 ice cube for all of them. Because you don't want to kill your babies. Nobody wants to kill their plants, but that's what she told me, and that's how I've been keeping my succulents alive, just with ice cubes. So yeah, if you feel like you just don't understand or don't get the succulent world, that's what you need to do. Just take a step back. Don't let that frustrate you and hate the succulents because it's not their fault. They are like a desert type of plant, so they're used to not having a lot of water. So that's what they like. Completely dry, let it go for a couple of days until you put the ice cubes in. So yes, you guys, also another tip that I wanted to touch up is that if you guys have any leaves that you destroy or that you bump by accident, just get the leaf and plant it back in there, and it'll grow a baby. They're very easy to grow babies and propagate. Until now, it's see with my moisture meter how much moisture there is, and if it's dry or whatever, and then I'll show you that. The meter says it's wet, so that is how I'm gonna leave it. So guys, I will give you guys the final results, and I really hope that you found this video helpful and informative. And let me know if you guys want more videos like this, and I will more than definitely make them because I love plants. I have an obsession. So yeah, I'll show you guys the final result in a little bit. Bye.